In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the Bombastica class here in Bake or Die on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. And it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, either open up the classes menu on the left-hand sidebar or go into the classes section over here, the classes shop. Do either of those two and then scroll down and you'll see Bombastica on here. Now, the main way to unlock it is, of course, by purchasing, 250 nuggets and using 250 nuggets to unlock them, which is obviously a lot of nuggets. It takes a lot more farming than, pretty much the majority of the other classes over here. But to actually get nuggets, you need to complete daily quests, and you're going to have 3 that you can complete every single day. Or what you can also do is just earn nuggets by surviving more days in game. Every few days, you'll be able to earn, 1 or 2 nuggets just by playing. Another way is by claiming the badge nuggets right here as well. There's not too many, and these are actually pretty easy to go ahead and do as well, and they reward you with some nuggets. Or if you want it even faster, you can just purchase nuggets from the shop as well. For about 900, Robux, will purchase you the exact amount that you need to unlock the Bombastica class. But that's the full process. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.